Santa Maria Nevada, and it is absolutely beautiful. This is just a really, really cool little marina, and wonderful location. The town is charming, and the people are wonderful, and everybody says hi and buongiorno to you. There's Talisman. Got the end spot here next to this nice Dufour 425 Grand Lodge, a boat that we chartered one time and really liked. It's very fast.
Trying to film the map. This place is cool.
We've been recommended to go here to Calle
Village.
And it supposedly looks like this with a little arch. So we're down here. We're going to motor up and around this afternoon to here. Anchor for the night.
And I'll take real pictures of it.
Yep. There last night. Really nice place.
So cute. Bye-bye. I'll take it.
There.
Nice, Colin.
Just pretend that's all.
When he's
it
like,
is.
I got this. Thanks, but I got this.
right here.
What's the depth?
6.3. What's that?
Feels good.
How much do we have out? 30, good. Feels like it's dragging again.
No, just become tight.
Okay.
Hold. It's holding. Holding.
Yeah, so these ribs come out here, and also I think some big tour boats as well, and they drop these people off at the beach. There's no other way to get here, I don't believe. Although maybe there's a road up top, so I do see a kind of a path coming down, some steps. But I think these people are just here for the day, and that at the end of the day they get picked up and get taken back to town. So we're gonna hang out here and wait for it all to kind of go away. Last boat leaving. The beach is almost empty except for the lifeguard. He's getting ready to leave with his girlfriend or whoever.
No, that's more like deserted. That's what we want to see.
There's our track where we've been.
Used to be part of a mountain before wind and fire broke me free. A mighty rock tumbling into the sea. From rock to stone, rock to stone, rock to stone, rock to
You know, we just headed up the coast earlier today. Sardinia. Here we are, almost to Olbia. My brother and his wife are going to fly out of Olbia over to Rome, and we're gonna sail across if we ever get any wind. The wind speed right now is like 0.3 knots. So, but in any event, we're getting ready to come around the corner here and into town, and we're gonna fuel up because we've been doing a lot of motoring lately. Is check out Albia.
Fun time.
And they're off. Run.
Oh. Should we go to dinner?
Yes, we should.
Excellent.
Well, as it turns out, here in Olbia, it's the World Championship of jet skiing, and all day long these guys have been just kind of coming and going, testing. It's really a testing issue right now, and they just constantly rev the engines. They're looking for throttle response. And there's the habit of doing it, just constant up and down, up and down. of the interesting things that's going on right now is there's actually a currency economic crisis going on in Italy. Italy actually was the cause of a major kind of, I wouldn't call it a crash, but a 300 or 400 point drop in the U.S. markets because they elected kind of two populist government groups, and the president basically vetoed their election. Well, not in so many words, but pretty much overruled the election, and that caused a major disruption. So right now all the Italians are all kind of freaked out, and nobody wants to take credit cards. Everybody wants to pay in cash. So that's kind of like a little bit of a weird thing that's going on here. I don't know how much it affects the marine world because everybody's kind of got a little bit of money and it's not as sensitive as some other areas. I think there's some issues going on here. There'll be a big ass ship coming in. So she barks like a dog. Came on watch a minute ago. Wendy's been on since 6, so it's 9 o'clock a.m. now, 900 hours. And the wind has really come around for us. I mean, we're getting helped by a little bit of a current. It's giving us a nod, but the wind is beautiful today. It's just it's blowing about, I don't know, and it's showing 16 true, and we're seeing 15.1, I guess, on a parent, and running about 6.5 knots. That's good. That'll get us in, I don't know, 3-4 hours early to Rome. So we're going to be just going to be kind of keeping an eye on things and watching it go. Sardinia way back there. Well, we're 21 miles away from Rome now. We're within the range of our radar, actually. Get to the marina here in about 3.5 hours. So during daylight would definitely be nice. We're very much ahead of schedule, and that's a great thing. So the water's turned a beautiful shade of blue, and weather is just absolutely perfect for sailing. It's just, you know, it's 15 to 20 on the beam mostly, and we're doing over 6 knots. We've seen 7 and way above 7, but not with this wind. We need a little bit more to go faster. No what?
No filming.
No filming?
No filming.
You don't look beautiful.
I'm not filmable today.
Yes, you are.
That's about it for now.
Okay, madam. How many nights?
3.
3 nights. Okay.
People have been slaves since the beginning of time.
You're my slave.
I'm your chattel, honey, not
Chattel.
your slave.
And slave.
I am not a slave, I am a chattel. This is not going in any video.
We'll see. Just outside Rome. Having some dinner at the local marina restaurant. It's pretty nice, I think.
It's very nice, except for being a slave.
Oh, the slave part. Yes.
Being a slave to tradition.
Get back to being a slave. There we go. That's more like it. So this is kind of the Porto de Roma marina. Wind's starting to pick up a little bit. It appears to me that they've got a lot of yacht services here. Big enclosures where they can paint and work on the super yachts. So there are services around here. The river to Rome is directly on the other side of that big building, and so we're right at the mouth of the Tigre River, and we tend to fall off our passerelle. We came in yesterday in through that opening over there, and it's tight. These big boats have to really be careful when they come and go. It's deep in the middle, and it shoals off very quickly, obviously. But you don't want to get stuck out there. We felt it was kind of tight even for us when we were getting ready to wait for the guys to come help us into our berth. As is typical so far for our trip, we haven't felt as though everything was open yet. There's shops all the way. There's probably a mile long of shops along the edge of the marina, and only about half of them are open right now. The rest of them are kind of, I don't know, not really there. There's Wendy. We're getting ready to do some tourist stuff this afternoon.
Go see some ruins.
Go see some ruins. So our marina's like right in here now. This is going to be the old port.
This is where we've come.
Yeah, it's a very river.
Somewhere over there.
Yeah. So this is going to be the old town. Those two. So, Roman road from way back. I suspect it was a little smoother in the old days. Well, I have to say it's very peaceful here.
It is very peaceful here.
It's hot in the sun, but
Boiling in the sun.
but there's a light breeze running down the areas that are open, and it's beautiful. It's very cool.
It is very cool.
It's amazing what the Romans were able to do. They brought this type of architecture, very permanent architecture, to the world. Colosseum. Bet they threw this up in an afternoon or two.
Seems farther now that it's hot.
Pretty warm out today. It's a holiday today, so it's Republic Day.
Pero que trabalhar momento.
Salvi.
Big dude.
Big dude.